the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3. Hello everyone, welcome to BrianUnboxed. These are the Momentum True Wireless 3 by Sennheiser. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, an assortment of ear tips, ear fins, and the USB-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 7 hours of listening time, 28 hours with the case, Bluetooth 5.2, SBC, AAC, aptX codec, app integration, adaptive ANC and transparency features, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. Hey, just a short message here. Have you heard of MContent? Well, if you haven't, it's a platform which allows you to earn crypto tokens by just watching videos. Exactly what you're doing now. So check out the app on the Google Play Store, App Store, or mcontent.net to get started. Why not earn free tokens while you watch? Use referral code BrianUnboxed when setting up the app, and subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my content there. The case has a similar look and feel like previous models. Compact and has a cloth lining all around. You have the branding on the top of the lid. On the front of the case is a status LED light and the USB-C charge port. The lid has a nice, tight, solid feel when opening and closing. You have the branding in the inside part of the lid, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. The case has wireless charging, and you can see it here on the charger activate. The earbuds have an ergonomic shape to it, and it's not too bulky with a matte finish all around. Ear markings are on the inside face. The outer face has a logo along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips and ear fins, microphones, in-ear sensor, charging contacts, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback, calls, ANC, and transparency features. This has app integration as mentioned. Once connected, you can see the battery levels, toggle ANC and transparency, customize EQ settings, reassign touch controls, and general settings. The case comes in at 70 by 44 by 34 millimeters. It weighs in at 66 grams, and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They seated well in my ears and felt comfortable. It created a good seal and were secure, and the ear fins helped. You will feel a bit of pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time, but the touch controls help alleviate in reducing the pressure. Build and quality is solid. The case feels durable along with the earbuds. Although I'm not a fan of the cloth case and would prefer something with a hard finish. The earbuds don't protrude out as much once seated in your ears. Touch controls were not overly sensitive and responded well. Battery life is respectable at 7 hours and 28 total with the case. I like the app integration along with the wireless charging. I would have liked to have seen a better IPX rating. The ANC feature was excellent and it blocked out the surroundings. The transparency mode also picked up the surroundings loud and clear. Both ANC and transparency ranks up there as some of the best that I have tested. Now when it comes to sound, these won't disappoint. I'm a big fan of the Sennheiser sound signature. The bass comes in tight, punchy, and accurate. Mids and highs are clean and clear and very crisp. Vocals and instruments do stand out and there's good separation. It has a wide soundstage, very balanced and natural sounding. And it was a pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, these are an impressive pair. The sounds and features performed, and these definitely rank up there with some of my favorites. So that is my review of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.